हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, chapter 21, text 7. Deso kaladi bhavanam vastunam mama sattama guna dosau vidiyete niyamartham hi karmanam deso kaladibhavanam vastunam mama sattama guna dosau vidiyete niyamartham hi karmanam desakalādibhavanam vastunam mama sattama gunadosau vidiyete niyamartham hi karmanam
वस्तुनां मम सतं गुणदोषौ विधीयते नियमार्थं हि कर्मणां देशकाले भावनां वस्तुनां मम सत्तमं गुणदोषौ विधीयते नियमार्थं हि कर्मणां
Mataji. Translation. O saintly Uddhava, in order to restrict materialistic activities, I have established that which is proper and improper among all material things, including time, space and all physical objects.
अनुवाद हे महात्मा उद्धव भौतिक कार्यकलाप को संयमित करने पाई काल देश प्राकृतिक वस्तु समेत समस्त पार्थिव पदार्थ मध्य केउं गुड़िक उचित एवं केउं गुड़िक अनुचित मो ताहा निर्धारण करिछि।
Purport. The word niyamartham, in order to restrict, is significant in this verse. A conditioned soul falsely identifies with his material senses and thus considers anything giving immediate satisfaction to the body to be good and anything inconvenient or disturbing to be bad. By higher intelligence, however, one recognizes long-term self-interest and danger. For example, medicine may be immediately better, but by calculating one's long-term interest, one accepts the bitter medicine to cure a disease that is not immediately troublesome but ultimately fatal. Similarly, Vedic literature restricts the sinful propensities of human beings by establishing what is proper and what is improper among all the objects and activities of the material world. Because everyone must eat, the Vedas prescribe foods in the mode of goodness and not those which are sinful, such as meat, fish, and eggs. Similarly, one is advised to live in a peaceful and pious community and not in association with sinful persons, nor in an unclean or turbulent environment. By designating and restricting the exploitation of the material world, Vedic knowledge gradually brings a conditioned soul to the platform of material goodness. At that stage, one becomes eligible to serve the Supreme Person of Godhead and enter the transcendental stage of life. It should be remembered that such mere eligibility does not constitute actual qualification. Without Krishna consciousness, mere mundane piety can never qualify a conditioned soul to go back to Godhead. Within this world, we are all infected by false pride, which must be diminished through submission to the Vedic injunctions. One who is completely engaged in the loving service of the Lord need not adopt these preliminary methods, for he directly contacts this person of Godhead through the spontaneous process of surrender. In the previous verse, the Lord explained why Vedic literatures assign different values to the bodies of different living entities, and here the Lord explains the Vedic value system in regard to the material objects that interact with these bodies.
नियमार्थम शब्दटी यही श्लोक गुरुत्वपूर्ण अटे। बद्धजीव भूल क्रमे जड़ इंद्रिय गुड़ी ही मु बोली मन करे एवं ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଯାହା କିଛି ଶରୀରକୁ ତତ୍କାଳିକ ସୁଖ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରେ ତାହା ଭଲ, ଆଉ ଯାହା କିଛି ସେଥିରେ ଅସୁବିଧାଜନକ ଅଥବା ବିଘ୍ନ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରେ ତାହା ଖରାପ। ତେବେ ଉନ୍ନତ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମତ୍ତା ଦ୍ୱାରା ମନୁଷ୍ୟ ଆତ୍ୟନ୍ତିକ ମଙ୍ଗଳ ଏବଂ ବିପଦ ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧରେ ଉପଲବ୍ଧି କରିପାରେ। ଦୃଷ୍ଟାନ୍ତ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ଔଷଧର ସ୍ୱାଦ ପିତା ହୋଇପାରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଦୀର୍ଘସ୍ଥାୟୀ ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥ କଥା ଚିନ୍ତା କରି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ସେତେଟା କଷ୍ଟଦାୟକ ନ ହେଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ଭୟଙ୍କର ହୋଇପାରେ। ଏପରି ବ୍ୟାଧି ଆରୋଗ୍ୟ ନିମିତ୍ତ ମନୁଷ୍ୟ ତାହା ଗ୍ରହଣ କରେ। ମନୁଷ୍ୟର ପାପ ପ୍ରବୃତ୍ତିକୁ ସଂଯମ କରିବାକୁ ବୈଦିକ ଶାସ୍ତ୍ର ସମସ୍ତ ପାର୍ଥିବ ବସ୍ତୁ ଓ ପାର୍ଥିବ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ମଧ୍ୟରେ କ'ଣ ଠିକ୍ କ'ଣ ଭୁଲ ତାହା ନିର୍ଦ୍ଧାରଣ କରିଛି। ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକଙ୍କୁ ଯେହେତୁ ଆହାର କରିବାକୁ ହୁଏ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବେଦ ସାତ୍ତ୍ୱିକ ଆହାରକୁ ଅନୁମୋଦନ କରନ୍ତି। ମାଂସ, ମାଛ, ଅଣ୍ଡା ଆଦି ପାପଯୁକ୍ତ ଆହାରକୁ ନୁହେଁ। ସେହିପରି ଶାନ୍ତ ଏବଂ ଧର୍ମପରାୟଣ ସମାଜରେ ବାସ କରିବା ଅନୁମୋଦିତ ହୋଇଅଛି। ପାପୀ ଲୋକ ସହିତ ନୁହେଁ। ପୁନଶ୍ଚ ଅପରିଷ୍କାର ବା ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ ପ୍ରବଣ ପରିବେଶ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅନୁମୋଦିତ ନୁହେଁ। ଜଡ଼ ଜଗତକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ କରିବା କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ସଂଯମ ଏବଂ ବିଧିବିଧାନ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ବୈଦିକ ଜ୍ଞାନ ବଦ୍ଧଜୀବକୁ କ୍ରମଶଃ ସତ୍ୱଗୁଣ ସ୍ତରରେ ଉପନୀତ କରେ। ସେହି ସ୍ତରରେ ମନୁଷ୍ୟ ପରମେଶ୍ୱର ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ସେବାର ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା ଅର୍ଜନ କରେ ଏବଂ ଜୀବନର ଅପ୍ରାକୃତ ସ୍ତରରେ ପ୍ରବେଶ କରେ। ମନେ ରଖିବାକୁ ହେବ ଯେ କେବଳ ସକ୍ଷମତା ଯଥାର୍ଥ ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା ନୁହେଁ। କୃଷ୍ଣ ଭକ୍ତି ବ୍ୟତୀତ ଜଡ଼ ପୁଣ୍ୟକର୍ମ କେତେବେଳେ ହେଲେ ବଦ୍ଧଜୀବକୁ ନିତ୍ୟ ଭଗବଧାମକୁ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟାବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିବାର ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା ପ୍ରଦାନ କରେ ନାହିଁ। ଏ ଜଗତରେ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ମିଥ୍ୟା ଗର୍ବ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପ୍ରଭାବିତ। ବୈଦିକ ବିଧିବିଧାନ ପାଳନ କରିବା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ତାହାକୁ ଦୂର କରିବାକୁ ହେବ। ଯେଉଁ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେମମୟୀ ସେବାରେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ ମଗ୍ନ, ତା ପାଇଁ ଏ ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରାଥମିକ ବିଧାନ ପ୍ରଯୁଜ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ, କାରଣ ସେ ଶରଣାଗତି ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ସ୍ୱତଃପୃତ ଭାବରେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଭାବେ ପରମ ଈଶ୍ୱର ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ସଂସ୍ପର୍ଶରେ ରହିଅଛି। ପୂର୍ବ ଶ୍ଲୋକରେ ଭଗବାନ ବ୍ୟାଖ୍ୟା କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୈଦିକ ଶାସ୍ତ୍ରରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜୀବର ଶରୀରର ଭିନ୍ନ ଭିନ୍ନ ମୂଲ୍ୟ କାହିଁକି ନିର୍ଦ୍ଧାରଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଆଉ ଏଠାରେ ଭଗବାନ ଦେହ ସହିତ ଯେଉଁ ସମସ୍ତ ଜଡ଼ ଉପାଦାନ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରିଥାଏ ସେହି ଅନୁସାରେ ବୈଦିକ ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନ ପଦ୍ଧତି ବ୍ୟାଖ୍ୟା କରିଛନ୍ତି।
Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's commentary is, regulation apply not only to bodies, but to results and causes based on place and time. Objects, bhavanam, as well as place and time are handled in terms of good and bad, so that I limit material actions. So, before Krishna was saying how the different bodies having different forms, different names, Varnashrama Dharma also was discussed yesterday. One is becoming brahmachari, one is sannyasi, one is grihastha, one is vanapastha, one is becoming brahmana, one is kshatriya, one is vaishya, one is shudra. So these divisions are given by Bhagavan Krishna. Yesterday we said that all these are indicating how to please the Supreme Lord Hari, Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. गतकाली भगवान करो उक्ति थिला उद्धवं को जे शरीर विभिन्न नाम ग्रहण करुछि, विभिन्न रूप ग्रहण करुछि, किंतु এই जो शरीर नाम रूप ग्रहण के जा वर्ण बा आश्रम ग्रहण करुछि, यार उद्देश्य होछि केवल भगवान को संतुष्ट करिवा। तेणु एठी ये श्लोकरे कहउचंती जे कारण एवं फलाफल, द रिजल्ट्स एंड कॉज. So what is the result is? The result is something good, something bad. फलाफलटा गोटे भल होउची नले मंद होउची एवं एई जो रिजल्ट बा ये फल र कारण कोन what the cause why something we are feeling good and something we are feeling bad something is very convenient something is not convenient. So where from this is coming? These are all coming from the bodies. Subtle body, mind. एवढा मनरू आसुची भल मंद ये सब मनरू आसुची मनटा मध्य गोटे शरीर तेणु ये जो भल मंद बा फलाफलटा आमर जा होउची ये सब आमे मन उपर निर्भर करूछु मोर मन कहू नाही मु मंदिर जीवी नाही मोर मन कहूची मु मूवी हाउस जीवी सिनेमा हॉल जीवी तेणु फल तो जड़े आसुची मंदिर को आउ जड़े आसुची सिनेमा हॉल. The mind is saying let us go to temple, again the mind is saying let us go to movie house. So one is going to movie house, one is going to temple. So this type of duality is always there. But what we need, actually what we need, our need is to go back home, back to Godhead. That is our need. आमर आवश्यकता कौन अच्छे आमर आवश्यकता होची आमे आमर स्व धाम को प्रत्यावर्तन करियो यहाँ ही आमर आवश्यकता एवं एई धाम को प्रत्यावर्तन करने को हेले आमको आत्मचेतनशील हवा को पड़ो. In order to go back home, back to Godhead, we will have to become soul conscious. We should realize ourselves. When someone will realize his spirit soul, so then he will have to find the place where the spirit soul can go, where the spirit soul can remain peacefully. आत्मार कौटिकी जीवाक पड़ो आत्माटा जो आत्मानुभूति लाभ कर ये आत्माटा कौटी रहा कथा कौ भली स्थान रे आत्माटा रहिले आत्माटा आनंद पाइब इन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कंडीशन आत्मा विल रिमेन सो दैट आत्मा कैन बिकम वेरी हैप्पी. आत्मा कैनॉट बिकम हैप्पी if Atma will remain in anatma patiti. Atma patiti, anatma patiti. If Atma will be dominated by body, then Atma will never get pleasure. शरीर द्वारा आत्माटा जदि नियंत्रित हेब ताहले आत्माटा केबे आनंद पाइब ना कारण शरीर रे आमे के आनंद पाई पारना वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट ए प्लेजर बाय आवर बॉडी. So very little pleasure one is getting, but that is also temporary and giving so much miseries. Later on, so much miseries are there. So therefore, the intelligent person will not run for body pleasure. बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति के शरीर और आनंद पाई धाइब ना कारण शरीर आनंद क्षणस्थायी एवं या पछरे बहुत दुख अच्छे बहुत दुख. तेणु तार बुद्धि को सी ठिकणा भाव रे लगेइब कार्य रे लगेइब. He must utilize his intelligence properly. But how one will utilize his intelligence properly? जणे केमिति भावरे तार बुद्धिटा को ठिकणा भावरे लगेइबो. That also clarified by Bhagavan Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. तेसं सतत युक्तानं भजतं प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धि योगं तं येन मां उपजन्ति ते. एक कथा भगवान कृष्ण भगवद गीता कही देले तेसं सतत युक्तानं भजतं प्रीतिपूर्वकं. सतत भाव युक्त है जी मोर प्रीतिपूर्वक सेवा करुची मु ताकू बुद्धि योग दौची जो बुद्धि बल रे से मो निकट को आसीबो. So this is the conclusion. If one is constantly or always serving Bhagavan Krishna with all pleasure, with all love, then Bhagavan Krishna is promising he will give intelligence, the pure intelligence. And by that pure intelligence, one will come to me. Tang jena mang upajanti te. ତେଣୁ एथुरु आमे देखिले जे बुद्धिटा को प्रयोग करने को हेले आमको सबुबले भगवान कृष्णंकर प्रीतिपूर्ण सेवारे नियुक्त रहिबा को पड़िबो. In order to apply our intelligence properly, we will have to be engaged in Krishna seva always, satata, with love, not that routine work, routine nature. Half an hour I will do seva, rest of the time I will be engaged in my own activities. This is not the way. Satata, satata, always or constantly. तेणु भगवान कहउचंती जे मो सेवारे नियुक्त अछि सतत भावरे प्रीतिपूर्वक मो सेवारे नियुक्त अछि एक कथा भगवान कहउचंती. कारण से कहउचंती काहे के कथा जे तुमे जदि मो सेवारे सब बेले न रहिबो तुम्हें असत सेवा करिबो. Why Bhagavan saying one should be engaged in my seva? Always one should be engaged in my seva. If you will not be engaged in his seva, we will be engaged in seva to others. Family members, dogs, cats, horses. Switzerland, they are having horses. They are doing seva every day to horses. That is what type of seva? If we are not serving to the Lord, then what type of service we are doing? Serving to whom? Asat. सत्र सेवारे न रहिले आमे असत सेवारे रहिबा एतरे कोनोसी विरुक्ति करिवार नाही. If you will not be engaged in service of the truth, supreme truth, Lord Krishna, we will serve to others. And that is asat. You know, when we are serving to asat, Deen is serving to whom? To whom you are serving?
Body, mind.
Body, mind. Mind is changeable. Body is also changeable. Now you are having young body. After some time you will have old body. Now your mind is fresh. After some time your mind is very disturbed. Morning, day, night. Mind is different. Morning mind, day, night. In the daytime your mind and night time your mind different. Changeable. Sarira mano. जो सेवा आमे करूचु जार भी सेवा करूचु तार शरीर मन को सेवा करूचु आमे सेठी आत्मार सेवा नहीं परमात्मार सेवा नहीं We are not serving to Atma or Paramatma. We just serve to body and mind. And body mind is changeable. Not only changeable, but also perishable. This body will not remain always. Understand? One day this body will be perished. So to whom I will serve? I was serving my father, mother. The father, mother left body. To whom will serve? Oh, my wife and children. They will leave body. Again to whom will serve? Nation, relations. They will be also perished. By serving them, can you get pleasure? जो शरीर मनर सेवा करिकी आमे आनंद पाउछु से शरीर मन नष्टशील परिवर्तनशील ध्वंसशील काली ध्वंस हो काली नष्ट हो आमे तार सेवा करिकी आनंद पाइबा what type of pleasure, what type of bliss you will get. What you will get. But if you are serving this truth, it will never be perished. Bhagavan Krishna is eternal one. And when we are serving him, our seva will go eternally also. After leaving this body, we can serve also. Bhagavan Krishnakara sarira ଆମ ଭଳି ଅନିତ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ, ନିତ୍ୟ ଶରୀର ନଷ୍ଟଶୀଳ ନୁହେଁ, ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନଶୀଳ ନୁହେଁ. Today we are seeing that he is standing, smiling. Tomorrow also we are seeing he is smiling and standing. Namanavayamana. Every moment, for him time is nothing. Time is under his control. For Krishna, time is under his control. You know this thing. Yes. But we are controlled by time. ଆମେ କାଳର ଅଧୀନରେ ଅଛୁ, କାଳର ନିୟନ୍ତ୍ରଣ ଅଛୁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଭଗବାନ କାଳ ତାଙ୍କ ଅଧୀନରେ ଅଛି. ତେଣୁ ସିଏ କେବେ ବୁଢ଼ା ହେଇକି ମରିଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି. ଆମେ ବୁଢ଼ା ହେଇକି ବ୍ୟାଧିଗ୍ରସ୍ତ ହେଇକି ମରିଯିବା. We will become old and diseased and will die. But he is not becoming old. He is not becoming diseased. He is always young, youth. Every day new. Advaitam, Achyutam, Anadim, Anantarupam, Adyam Purana Purusam, Navajauvancha, Vede Sudurlabham, Adurlabham, Atma Bhakto, Govindam Adi Purusam, Tamaham Bhajami. He is without second. He is infallible one. He is unlimited. He is always new. So by serving him, we cannot get any type of misery, distress will never touch us. ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେବା କଲେ ଆମର କେବେ ଦୁଃଖ ହେବ ନା, ସବୁବେଳେ ନୂଆ ଲାଗିବ, ଆନନ୍ଦ ଲାଗିବ. We will feel very nice to serve him. He is always new. Our eyes are not becoming tired. one poet song is there, Odia song. Sundare truptir avasad nahi, jete dekhutile lua disuthai. Understanding Odia? No? तुम्हें बुझो क्यों अर्जुन कृष्ण बाबा बुझ पाचो सुंदरे तृप्तिर अवसाद नहीं जेते देखुतिले नुआ दिसुथाई चेष्टा करो ओडिया पढ़ुच ओडिया शुणुच हाँ our which is the most beautiful one, if we will look at him, our eyes will not become tired. Our satisfaction will never exhaust. Because more I am seeing beauty, more beautiful. That is Krishna. Krishna ete sundara, tanku dekhile madhya konosi avasad asu nahi, kranti asu nahi, pratidin nua nua darshan hochi. Karana, he is Sat. He is not Asat. Se Sat vastu, se Asat vastu nuhanti. Asat vastu re, ame dekhi dekhi virakta hi jiva. In Balasore, one man was there. He was having one wife. After 1 year, 2 years I came, I saw, always he goes to film, cinema house, with his wife. New picture he will go with his wife. Moneyed man. So he was going with his wife. I also, any new picture, new movie, I was going also. So I see them. Then after some time I saw he is coming with another woman. I asked my friend, hey, he's coming with another woman. You don't know? This is second wife. Second wife? Very happily they go together. Then after some time I saw third one. Then I asked to inquire, hey, she is third one. Okay. Again I worked outside Koraput, Bolangir. I will come back. I sit down in my friend's bookshop. And I go see they are going. Hey, this is fourth one. Hey, that is fourth wife. Western country difficult. One wife not good means divorce another one. No? That is possible in our not so much easy to divorce. Huh? So one became old. First wife became old. Second became old. Third became old. Fourth, what is the problem? So, I am also looking for beauty. Then my senses became tired with number one. So I went to number two. The senses became tired. Indira एक अवसाद हो गला से प्रथम भार्या सहित गोटे द्वितीय भार्या दरकार हला नहीं Similarly, when we are not connected with the Sat Vastu, we are connected with the Asat Vastu. When we are connected with the Asat Vastu, we become tired. Understanding? Being Baba. Huh? So, this Sat Vastu Sandhan हमको किए दब कहा पाखु आमे से सत वस्तुर संधान पाइबा where from we will get the information about the truth. From where?
The information in Prabhupada's books.
What Prabhupada books you got?
I read the book of The Beauty of Self-Realization.
Science of Self-Realization.
Yes.
You read that book, then what happened?
Then I went to the Saturday feast in Langenthal.
Then what you got from Langenthal?
I heard that there is Simhachalam in Germany, another temple, so I went there.
I have gone, I know. What is there?
Association,
Huh?
the Mahamantra.
You got Mahamantra. Mahamantra means what? I don't understand.
It's the transcendental sound vibration that starts to cleanse your heart.
Sound vibration. Can you make that sound vibration?
Not me, but other devotees.
No, do you know what is the sound vibration is?
Yeah, it has to be spoken from a pure devotee. Mahamantra is not different from...
What is that Mahamantra? I don't understand. Tell me.
Mahamantra is the cry from the child to his mother that it...
Arey, what is that Mahamantra? You know Mahamantra? Do you know Mahamantra?
Mahamantra are the names from Krishna.
And why you are going this, that, this, other? Mahamantra is name of Krishna. That means you got the information about the supreme truth, Krishna, from Prabhupada's books. Eh? Then what happened to you?
I wanted to inquire.
What inquiry?
I started to feel there is some happiness, so I stayed.
You felt happiness, then what you did?
I kept association with devotees.
Then you sought for some devotees who are chanting this Mahamantra. No?
And eating prasadam.
Eh?
And eating prasadam.
Prasad was nice, eh? Oh. So, you went through Prabhupada's book, and Prabhupada is having connection with the truth. Therefore, the Prabhupada's books could change your mind. Then you started searching, inquiring. Is not it? Yes. So, a Sat person who is having connection with the Supreme Truth, he can help us to come to this truth. A true person, we can say sadhu, we can say guru, he is Sat person, Sat Vyakti. ସତ୍ର ସହିତ ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧିତ ହେଇଥିବା ଯୋଗୁଁ ଜଣେ ସତ୍ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଅନୁସରଣ କରିବୁ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ସତ୍ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଜ୍ଞାନ ଲାଭ କରିବୁ। Who is connected with the supreme truth, he is also truth. He is also Sat. If you will follow that true person, then we can reach the supreme truth easily. No? What do you say? Tenu, we will have to follow a Sat person, Sat Vyakti, true person, who is having connection with the Supreme Truth. आमे जने सत व्यक्तिंकर अनुसरण करिबा जहांकर परम सत्य सहित संबंध अछि। क्लियर? That means we will have to go to a Sadguru who can teach us how to be, always remain with the truth. सत्यर सहित सबुबले रहिबाकू जी आमको शिक्षा देवे से होचन सद्गुरु। तेणु सद्गुरु चरणाश्रित हेई परम सत्यंकर सेवा करिबा सतत भावरे तेसां सतत युक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकम्। ए सतत भावरे प्रीतियुक्त हेई नित्य भावरे किभଳି सेवा करिबा परम सत्यंकर एटा हमकु जानिया पड़िबो जने सत व्यक्ति निकटरू, सद्गुरु निकटरू। We'll have to learn it, how constantly, how always we can be engaged in loving services unto the lotus feet of the Supreme Truth, Lord Krishna, from a Sadguru. But if we will go for asat association, those who are not true association, then we cannot come to the Supreme Truth. Understand? Yes. So, तेणु सत गुरु सत वस्तु सहित संपर्कित हेले आमे नित्य तत्व विषय किछि बुझी पारिबा। If we will be connected with the Sat Vastu, Sat Guru, Sat Vyakti, true personality, then we can be able to understand what is the eternal one. What is eternal, what is not eternal or temporal. Atma is eternal, body is temporary. That we will be able to understand when we will associate with sadhu. We all are running for the taking care of body. We are not taking care of the Atma. Srila Prabhupada said, we are taking care of the cage, cleaning the cage, but inside the body is suffering. That we are not understanding. ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ପିଞ୍ଜରାକୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ସଫା କରୁଛୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ପିଞ୍ଜରା ଭିତରେ ଥିବା ପକ୍ଷୀଟା ଛଟପଟ ହେଉଛି ତାହା ଆମକୁ ଦେଖାଯାଉନି। ତାହା କେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖାଯିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସତ୍ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିତ୍ୱ ବା ସାଧୁ ସହିତ ଆମର ସମ୍ପର୍କ ସୃଷ୍ଟି ହେବ। When we will develop our relationship with a true personality, then we will think about Atma. Before that we are not thinking about Atma. We are always thinking about our body. Then, by the mercy of that sadhu, we will be able to engage in seva, constant seva of Krishna with love. Tesang satata yuktanang bhajatang pritipurvakam dadami buddhijong tang jena mang upajanti te. Bhagavad Gita में पढ़ी दूँ। You have gone through Bhagavad Gita? Started. Many they have finished so many times. You have just started. But we are not going inside what is actually spoken by Krishna. We are not going in details, we are going into deep. We are not understanding deep interpretation. In Hindu family, in India, many are having Bhagavad Gita. Many are reciting Bhagavad Gita. But not understanding what the purport of Bhagavad Gita. What Bhagavad Gita is saying to us. You understand? So yesterday we are saying that sun is covered up by cloud. We are not able to see the sun. We are not able to understand what sun can do, sun God can do. We cannot understand unless the cloud will be removed. Se Surya कौन करि पारंती सूर्यंकर कौन शक्ति अछि आमे से पर्यंत बुझी पारिबु ना जे पर्यंत सूर्य मेघाच्छादित अछन मेघ द्वारा आच्छादित अछंती आमे बुझी पारिबु ना जते बेले से मेघ रो आच्छादन कटि जीवो सेते बेले आमे देखिबु सूर्य केते तेजस्वी केते तेज युक्त है प्रखर तेज किरण सूर्यंकर आमे ताहा बुझी पारिबु किंतु मेघर जो आच्छादन बा आवरण कटि नगला पर्यंत आमे सूर्य को ठीक भाव बुझी पारिबु ना। So similarly, the Maya is putting one curtain in front of us. The illusory energy of Bhagavan Krishna, Maya has put one curtain in front of our eyes. We are not able to appreciate Krishna. When that veil, that curtain will be opened, oh, so beautiful Krishna. Huh? That means when the Maya's influence will go, then only we can appreciate sun god. Or Krishna. Krishna Surya Sama, Maya hoy andhakar, jaha Krishna ta nahi Maya radhikar. Krishna nije hochanti Surya parika tejasvi. Self-effulgent Krishna. Maya is nescience. Darkness. So when Maya's darkness will go, then we can see how illumination is there. आमर माया रूप को अंधकारटा हटिगले आमे आलोक को देखि परिबा सूर्यंकर बा कृष्ण को आमे उपलब्धि करि परिबा. We can realize Krishna. As long we are in Maya, we cannot realize Krishna. How to become free from Maya? Dean, can you say?
By listening humbly to Sadguru.
By listening from Sadguru about Krishna's name, form, quality, leela, associates, then slowly we will become free from Maya. नहीं सद्गुरु पाखरु शुणिले धीरे धीरे ये जो माया रूपक अंधकार दूरीभूत हम एवं कृष्ण रूपक सूर्य आम निकटरे प्रकाशित हेबे. आमे समस्ते बड़ कष्टरे अच्छे त्रिताप कष्ट. We are all suffering due to 3 types of heat. You know what is that?
Adidevika, Adhyatmika, Adibhautika.
Explain.
Adidevika is troubles that come from nature, demigods. Adhyatmika is from the own mind,
Own body.
own body. And Adibhautika is from animals and other living beings.
So other jiva, other living entities. So suffering or troubles coming from our own body, adhyatmika. Suffering coming from others' body, adibhautika. Suffering coming from the demigods, adidevika. So those who are not connected with Krishna, they are daily suffering with these 3 tapas. এই 3টি তাপরে তাপিত হউচন্তি প্রত্যেক দিন. তেণু তাপ means heat. Come, stay in May, June here in our Gadagiri. Then we can understand whether you are able to tolerate the heat or not. ଆସିକି ଏଠି ମେ ଜୁନରେ ରୁହ, ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ତୁମେ କେତେ ସହିପାରୁଛ ତାପକୁ. ଏ ତାପଟା ଆମେ ସହି ପାରୁନା. We are not able to tolerate this heat. The three types of heat, we are not able to tolerate it. ଆମେ ଏଇ ତିନି ପ୍ରକାର ତାପକୁ ସହ୍ୟ କରିପାରୁନାହୁଁ. କେତେବେଳେ ସହ୍ୟ କରିପାରିବୁ? When we will be able to tolerate these three heats?
We always remember Krishna.
निताई पद कमल कोटि चंद्र सुशीतल जे छाय जगत जोड़ा. निताई पद कमल कोटि चंद्र सुशीतल. The lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu is giving soothing effect, cooling effect. Crores of moons sun we are getting scorching heat, but moon just opposite. The moonlight is giving us some soothing cooling effect. सूर्यंकर प्रखर ताप आम सही पारुनाहु किंतु राति रे जतेबेले चंद्र उदय होचंती तांकर किरण आमको बड़ ठंडा लागुछि. तेणु आमे जदि नित्यानंदंकर पादाश्रित ही पारू आमको ये त्रिताप दग्धीभूत करि पारिबो नाही. If we will be able to take shelter at the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu, these three types of heat cannot disturb us. In Vrindavan, devotees, summer time they will go to Haridwar, Rishikesh. Cold season they will go to South India, pilgrimage, because they cannot take winter cold in Vrindavan, they cannot take summer heat in Vrindavan, so therefore summer time they will go to Himalaya and winter time they will go to southern part of India. Similarly, we are also experiencing here. In the summer season, our Western bhaktas will be very less. No? So, Nitai Pada Kamala, the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu, is giving so nice cooling and soothing effect to everyone. Nityananda Prabhu is Guru Tattva. Gurudev is manifestation of Nityananda Prabhu. So those who are taking shelter at the lotus feet of Gurudev, they are not disturbed by these three types of heat. Gurudev hochhanti Nityananda Prakash Vigraha, Nityananda Guru Tattva. ତେଣୁ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କର ଚରଣାଶ୍ରିତ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଏଇ ତ୍ରିତାପରୁ ମୁକ୍ତ ହେଇପାରିବେ. କାରଣ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କର ପାଦ ପଦ୍ମରେ ସେଇ ଶୀତଳୀକରଣ କରିବାର ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା ଅଛି. When Krishna said to Arjuna in battlefield, they are all your enemies, kill them. What Arjuna said?
First he said he cannot kill them because
ଏ
otherwise
ଶ୍ଳୋକଟା କ'ଣ? କାର୍ପଣ୍ୟ ଦୋଷ ଉପତ ସ୍ୱଭାବ ବାହାର କର। ହଁ, what is that?
first he said he cannot kill them because they're his relatives.
There?
Then he said he cannot kill them because otherwise all the society will be irreligious.
All the society?
All the society will become irreligious.
कार्पण्य दोषोपहत स्वभाव पृच्छामि त्वं धर्म समूढ़ चेता जश्रेयसा निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यतेऽहं साधिमां त्वं प्रपन्नम्। Now I am confused about my duty and have lost all composure because of miserly weakness. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me for certain what is best for me. Now I am your disciple and a soul surrender unto you. Please instruct me. The jiva, when he is confused, does not know what he should do, then he should take shelter at the lotus feet of Guru. I am not able to decide what I can do, so let me take shelter at the lotus feet of Guru. Why I am not able to understand what to do, what not to do? ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି କ'ଣ କରିବି ଚିନ୍ତା କରିପାରୁନାହିଁ? Because of weakness of my heart, ମୋର ହୃଦୟର ଦୁର୍ବଳତା ଯୋଗୁଁ ମୁଁ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିପାରୁନି କ'ଣ କରିବି। You tell me what is best for me, I'll do it. When someone is confused, he has to take shelter of elderly person who can give some instruction. And he is saying this is due to my weakness of my heart. मोर हृदय दुर्बलता जो मु ठीक करि पारनी कौन करिबी। We are all weak. Our heart is weak. We are not able to decide what to do. Therefore we need a guru to tell us what to do. What he said? Shishyateham sadhimang tvang tapam. Just instruct me. Tvan prapannam, I surrender to you. When someone is surrendered, when he cannot find the way, which way he should go. As long as he is thinking, I can do, he will never surrender. Mu kardebi ho. मत जना अच्छी सी कहीं शरणागत हम अन्यर ये मु करी पारिबी नहीं मु वर्तमान द्वंद्व अच्छी मत आपण बाट देखांतु एटा भगवत गीता रे अर्जुन कहिसंती कृष्ण को एक कथा कहिसंती Arjun said to Krishna this thing. ତେଣୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କାର୍ପଣ୍ୟ ଦୋଷ What is that karpanya dosha is? This is one type of defect. What is that defect is? Absence of love for Krishna. This is the defect. Priti sunyata. Krishna priti sunyata. Ru durbalata. जदि कृष्ण के प्रति प्रीति शून्य हो ताहले जने दुर्बल हो से बुझी पारिबनी कौन करिवो किंतु जे पर्यंत जनकर कृष्ण प्रीति रही सी भारी दुरुस्त भारी सबल कहीं ताको हलई पारिबेनी बापा If someone is having love for Krishna, he is very strong. Nobody can shake him. Huh? से चाहूची हे कृष्ण हे भगवान हे हरि आपणकर सेवा करी करी मोर ये जीवनटा चली जाऊ मोर आ किछि दरकार नहीं ही इज सेइंग ओ लॉर्ड हरि shedding tearful eyes. He is saying, oh Lord Hari, let my life be gone by serving your lotus feet. I don't care for that. When it will happen? ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପାଦ ସେବା କରିକି ମୋ ଜୀବନ ଚାଲି ଯାଉ ଏ କଥାଟା ଜଣେ କେତେବେଳେ କହିବ When one can say this, you cannot say it in now. No. You can say my life will go by serving Gopal here. Reluctant, eh? When one will say this thing? When one will say, therefore, the shloka is Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakkhurunmulitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namo. Still I am in darkness. I need light. Please, by your knowledge, torchlight of knowledge, you can dispel my darkness. So that I can see the beautiful form of Shyama Sundar. ताहले मु सही अति चमत्कार अति सुंदर सही श्याम सुंदर को दर्शन करिबी जी श्याम सुंदर को दर्शन करिबो से माया दर्शन करिबो If someone is looking at श्याम सुंदर can he see Maya? No. Too. You never go to see Maya because he is seeing Shama Sundar. And that is happening due to the mercy of Gurudev. Yaha Gurupada Padmar Kripa Rahuchu. Tenu se Bhagavan kara charan chhadi rahi paribo na. Gotiye muhurta rahi paribo na. He cannot remain away from the lotus feet of Bhagavan Krishna for a single moment. How it will possible? Satang prasangan mama birja sambido bhavanti hurtkarna rasayana katha tajjosanata asu apavarga vartmani श्रद्धा भक्ति रतिर अनुक्रमिष्यति हरि कथा हरि कथा शुणुछि तार हृत्कर्णर सायन हो जाउछि हृदयटा आनंद रे परिपूरित हो जाउछि कर्ण हृदय आनंद रे परिपूरित हो जाउछि जहार कर्ण भगवान को कथा सुनी की पूर्ण होइछि ता भितरे आउ महिला पशिव की तो जानिछु से कृष्ण बलराम एमती पशिव जगह नहीं ना ये हरि कथा अच्छे अन्य कथा पशि पार ना हृत्कर्ण रसायन कथा that katha is pleasing to the ears and the heart and the ears are filled with that hari katha. The nasty things, the worldly things will never enter into the heart and ears anymore. आउ मन भितरे किसी संदेह रहिबो ना चक्षु कर्ण विवाद हब ना चक्षु कर्ण विवाद the ears and eyes are quarreling tongues also quarreling skin also quarreling nose quarreling your nose, tongues, ear, eyes quarreling? Are they quarreling?
I can't understand how the nose can quarrel. It smells bad stuff.
Nose doesn't want to smell anything bad.
Yeah, they quarrel this.
Yeah. Now you understood how the ears and eyes are quarreling. Hey, give me some beautiful thing I should see. Yeah, this is this melody. Ah, nice. Krishna Katha. And mind, so much doubts. What is this? What that man is speaking, huh? You people are sitting there, why? Unnecessary? Wasting time? 2-3 hours, you can do so many things. Why you are losing your time? Time is very valuable. समय मूल्यवान तुम्हें से मूल्यवान समय 2 घंटा 3 घंटा कौन कर सकते बस माइंड इज सेइंग दिस व्हाई द माइंड इज हैविंग डाउट गुरु पादाश्रित हैला परे आउ मन भितर किछि संशय संदेह रहिबो ना आउ चक्षु कर्णर विवाद रहिबो ना समस्ते रेगुलेटेड ही जिवे समस्ते नियमित ही जिवे everything will be regulated all the senses will be regulated mind also will be regulated simply by listening Krishna Katha from a bona fide source right source all the senses will be regulated. चक्षु कर्ण नासिका तोक जिह्वा सब नियमित हो हैरान करेंगे ना sometime your tongue is making trouble.
Yeah.
For what? Paneer. Paneer. Sweet rice. Okay, we'll arrange sweet rice. Something sweet we'll arrange for you. Huh? Then you will become happy. Yeah. ତେଣୁ ଯେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଜଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସାମାନ୍ୟ ସନ୍ଦେହ ରହିଗଲା ତା ଜୀବନ ସାର୍ଥକ ହେବ ନା. If someone will have very little doubt in his mind, his life cannot be successful. ସଂଶୟାତ୍ମା ବିନଶ୍ୟତି. ସଂଶୟ ଯେଉଁ ଆତ୍ମାର ଅଛି ତାର ତ ବିନାଶ ହେଇଯିବ. ତେଣୁ ଏ ସଂଶୟ ମୁକ୍ତ ହେବାର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ଅଛି. ଅର୍ଜୁନର ଯେଉଁ ସଂଶୟ ଥିଲା ସେଥିରୁ ସେ କେମିତି ମୁକ୍ତ ହେଲେ? ଅର୍ଜୁନର ସନ୍ଦେହ ଥିଲା. He was confused. How can I kill my brothers? How can I kill my grandfather? How can I kill my guru? Doubt thila na, ta sandeh thila. He was having doubt. But what he said after listening to Krishna? Nashtamoho sutirlabdha tatprasadena mayachyuto. Gato sandhya sthita asmi karishet vachanam tavo. My doubts are clarified. My delusions gone. I got back my memory. By your mercy, I got back my memory. What are the memories? What is a Shruti Labdha? ମୁଁ ଶ୍ରୁତି ଫେରି ପାଇଲି. ମୋର ମୋହ ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା, ମୋର ସନ୍ଦେହ ଚାଲିଗଲା, ମୁଁ ଶ୍ରୁତି ଫେରି ପାଇଲି. What is that? He got back his memory, remembrance. Krishna is my Lord, my Prabhu. What he will say, I will do it. Karisye vachanam tavo. What he will say, I will do. There is no reluctance. ଆଉ ଦ୍ୱିଧା ନାହିଁ. ଯାହା କହିବ ତାହା କରିବ. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଶ୍ରୁତି ମୁଁ ଫେରି ପାଇଲି. Why you are having so much doubts? Because we are not remembering about Krishna. In our memory, Krishna is not there. How he got back his memory? You said Krishna Das. How? How Arjuna could know that I am Das, I should do whatever you want? How? Only by listening from him. Simply by listening from Krishna, he got back his memory. ତେଣୁ ଆମେ କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମର ବିସ୍ମୃତି ହେଇଯାଇଛି, ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରୁନାହୁଁ। ଶୁଣିଲା ପରେ ଆମ ସ୍ମୃତି ଫେରିବ। ଆମେ ତେଣୁ କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କର ଇଚ୍ଛା ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଦିଗରେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରିବା। When we got back our memories, we will be able to do whatever he wants, not that whatever I want. मत जोटा दरकार मु करी ए नहीं सी जहाँ चाहूँ मु करी आई शुड डू व्हाट ही वांट्स आई शुड नॉट डू व्हाट आई वांट तेणु ये जगत रे सत अच्छी असत अच्छी सत शास्त्र अच्छी असत शास्त्र अच्छी सद गुरु अच्छी असत गुरु अच्छी हैं सत संग अच्छी असत संग अच्छी असल अच्छी नकल अच्छी सब ये जगत रे अच्छी everything is available in this world true untrue good association bad association sadhu asadhu right scripture wrong scripture or everything is available in this material world सबु भगवान को सृष्टि असत सत सबु भगवान सृष्टि कर भगवान सृष्टि सबु अच्छी everything is available in this material world by the mercy of Bhagavan. Then why we are going for bad association, asat sadhu, pseudo guru, going for asat shastra? Why? Because we are not careful enough. आमे जेहेतु अति सतर्क नहूँ तेणु आमे असत दिगरे धावमान होचु आमे धाउचु असत दिगरे हैं तेणु ये असत दिगरे जाइकी आमे कौन करुचु ना ये शरीरटा को आत्मा बोली भावी दउचु going towards everything on truth we are thinking the body is atma शरीर को आत्मज्ञान कर दूच देह देही भेद बुझी पारुना we are not able to understand what is the property and what is the proprietor. What is the difference between property and proprietor? We are not able to understand nicely. Therefore, we are thinking this where you took birth?
Bern, Switzerland.
So? Your motherland, Switzerland. Huh? Yes. Is it true? Is it true that your motherland is Switzerland?
Botany designation, yes.
Right. Tomorrow you will be dog in Sri Lanka. You are saying my motherland is Switzerland. श्रीलंका रे कुकुर है कि आर थर को जन्म हम तुम्हें कहबा एटा मोर जगह मोर बाप जन्मी थिला माँ जन्मी थिला मदरलैंड केते कथा सेतेबेले कौन कह माय मदरलैंड इज श्रीलंका This is Brahma. This is our builder man, that we are thinking our birthplace is Switzerland, and that is my eternal place. No? Little broader way, this material world is my place, my permanent place. Okay? Come here. Sometime you come as pig, sometime you will come as a cow, sometime you will come as insect. My permanent place. ये हमारा परमानेंट जगह है नहीं. This is my permanent place. Nobody can throw me out from this. Chaitanya Chandra was thinking as long he will live, he can spend his time in Bhubaneswar. But I am here. How many years? Huh? 28 years I am here. There I was, of course, outside temple I was 71 to 96. A long time, eh? 25 years. Here 27 years, there 25 years. So, if this is my place, so I will have to make it nicer. Yeah? I will have to nicely decorate. No? What you need? A refrigerator, aircon, washing machine, heater system, heating system. Every amenity is there. Because this is my permanent place. So the moment one is thinking this is my permanent place, that time he is getting a bondage. ଯେତେବେଳେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ଏଇଟା ମୋର ନିତ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥଳୀ, ନିତ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥାନ, ତାର ଗୋଟେ ବନ୍ଧନ ଆସିଗଲା. That bandhana is Mayika bandhana. Maya's bondage. Maya bandi pokela. किंतु बुझी पारु नहीं. जो जन्मटा पाइतला से जन्मटा वृथा ही गला. सेटा बुझी पारला ना. Due to the illusory energy of Bhagavan Krishna, he could not understand. He got very rarely achieved human life, and that human life became failure completely. बहु कष्ट जो मनुष्य जीवन टिकक मिलता तार मूल्य से बुझी पाला ना, से निरर्थक ही गला. तुम्हें गाओ, ले गाओ, तंटी ठीक नहीं. दुर्लभ मानव जन्म लभिया संसारे
कृष्ण नाभ जिनो दुख कहिब काहारे.
কৃষ্ণ না ভজন দুঃখ কহিব কাহারে।
সংসার সংসার বলি মিছে গেল কাল,
সংসার সংসার বলে মিছে গেলা কাল। লাভ না হইল কিছু ঘটিল জঞ্জাল। কিসের সংসার ছায়াবাজি প্রাণ। ইহাতে মমতা করি বৃথা দিন যায়। এ দেহ পতন হইলে কি রবে আমার।
সুখ নাহি দিলে পুত্র পরিবার,
কেহ সুখ নাই দিবে পুত্র পরিবার। গর্ধবের মত আমি করি পরিশ্রম। কার লাগি এত করি না ঘুচিল ভ্রম। দিন যায় মিছা কাজে নিশা নিদ্রা বসে। নাহি ভাবি মরণে কটে আছে বসে। ভালো মন্দ খাই হরি পরিচিন্তহীন। নাহি ভাবি এ দেহ ছাড়িব দিন। দেহ গেহ কলত্রে চিন্তা বিরত। জাগিছে উদয়ে মোর বুদ্ধি করি হত। হায় হায় নাহি ভাবি অনিত্য এ সব। জীবন বিগতে কোথা রহিবে। संसारे शरीर मम पड़िया रहिबे विहंग पतंगता विहार करिबे पुर श्रृगाल सब नंदित है महोत्सव करिबे देहल हे देहर गति तार अनुगत संसार वैभव बंधु जन जत अतएव माया मोह छाड़ी बुद्धिमान नित्य तत्व कृष्ण भक्ति पुनः संधान हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे राम हरे राम राम हरे हरे दुर्लभ मानव जब लभिया संसारे कृष्णा भजन दुख कैव कार आफ्टर attaining this rare human birth in the material world I have not worshipped Sri Krishna to whom shall I tell my sorrows मो मनुष्य जन्म लाभ कला परे मध्य जाकि दुर्लभ जन्म ताकु लाभ कला परे मध्य मु कृष्ण भजन करू नाही ये दुख कहा आगे कहिबे संसार संसार बोले संसार संसार करे मिछे गला काल लाभ ना होइलो किछु घटिलो जंजाल by my engaging in worldly activities time has passed in vain there was no benefit rather only trouble arose मु संसार संसार करिकी समय बितेली किंतु केवल जंजाल आसिला किछि लाभ तादेर हला ना किसेर संसार ए छायाबाजी प्राय इहाते ममता करी वृथा दिन जाए what kind of world is this it is like a magic lantern show full of shadows and illusions by my being attached to this world days passes in futility ये कहार संसार एक माने मैजिक भलिया छायाबाजी एथरे मोर ममता बुद्धि करी वृथारे मोर समय नष्ट हो गला ए देह पतन हले किरबे आमार केह सुख नहीं दिवे पुत्र परिवार when this body dies what will remain mine no one including my sons and family members will be able to give me happiness then जेतेबेले ये शरीर नष्ट हो जीवो शरीर त्याग हो जीवो सेतेबेले किए मते सुख दबो मोर पुत्र परिवार केही मते सुख देबे नाही गर्दबेर मत आमी करी परिश्रम कार लगे तो करी नागुचिले भ्रम like an ass I work very hard but for whom do I labor so my illusion has not been removed गोटे गध बागिया मु दिन राति परिश्रम करुच्ची किंतु कहा एते परिश्रम करुच्ची ये भ्रम मोर तुटु नहीं दिन जाए मिछा काजे निशा निद्रा बसे nahi bhabi marana nikata ache bose. My days pass in useless work and my nights pass under the control of sleep. I never think that death is sitting nearby. ମୁଁ ଦିନ ଯାକ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରୁଛି, ମିଛ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରୁଛି, ଆଉ ରାତିରେ ଘୋର ନିଦରେ ଶୟନ କରୁଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହିଁ ଏ ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ମୋ ନିକଟରେ ବସି ରହିଛି। ଭଲ ମନ୍ଦ ଖାଇ ହେରି ପରିଚିନ୍ତହୀନ ନାହିଁ ଭାବି ଏ ଦେହ ଛାଡ଼ିବ କୋନ ଦିନ। I eat, see and wear whatever, good or bad, free from anxiety. I never think that one day I will give up this body. ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଖାଇ ଭଲ ପିନ୍ଧି ମୋର ସମୟ ବିତଉଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହିଁ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ମୋତେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଗ୍ରାସ କରିବ। ଦେହ ଗେହ କଲତ୍ରାଦି ଚିନ୍ତା ଅବିରତ ଜାଗିଛେ ହୃଦୟ ମୋର ବୁଦ୍ଧି କରି ହତ। Thoughts of my body, house, wife and other possessions are constantly appearing in my heart, destroying my intelligence. ମୋ ହୃଦୟ ଭିତରେ ମୋର ଦେହ, ମୋର ଗୃହ, ମୋର ଭାର୍ଯ୍ୟା, ମୋର ପୁତ୍ର ପରିବାର ଏ ଚିନ୍ତା ଆସି ଘାରୁଛି ଏବଂ ମୋର ବୁଦ୍ଧିକୁ ସେ ବିନାଶ କରୁଛି। ହାୟ ହାୟ ନାହିଁ ଭାବି ଅନିତ୍ୟ ଏସବ ଜୀବନ ବିଗତ କଥା ରହିବେ ବୈଭ। Alas, I never think that all these things are temporary. When this life ends, where will my material opulence go? Hi. ମୁଁ ଭାବି ପାରୁନାହିଁ ଏସବୁ ଅନିତ୍ୟ। ମୋର ଜୀବନ ଚାଲିଗଲେ ଏ ଭୌତିକ ଐଶ୍ୱର୍ଯ୍ୟ କୋଉଠି ରହିବ? ଶ୍ମଶାନ ଶରୀର ମମ ପଡ଼ିଆ ରହିବେ, ବିହଙ୍ଗ ପତଙ୍ଗ ତାଏ ବିହାର କରିବେ। My body will lie in the crematorium ground and vultures, insects will sport with that. ମୋ ଶରୀର ଶ୍ମଶାନରେ ପଡ଼ି ରହିବ, ସେଠି ଶାଗୁଣା ଆଉ ପତଙ୍ଗ କାଉ ଏମାନେ ସବୁ ତାକୁ ନେଇ ନୃତ୍ୟ କରିବେ। କୁକୁର ଶୃଗାଳ ସବୁ ଆନନ୍ଦିତ ହେ ମହୋତ୍ସବ କରିବେ আমার ଦେହ ଲୟ। All the dogs and jackals will happily partake of a huge feast my body. କୁକୁର ଶିଆଳ ଆନନ୍ଦ ମନରେ ମୋ ଶରୀରକୁ ନେଇକି ମହୋତ୍ସବ କରିବେ। ଯେ ଦେହର ଏହି ଗତି ତାର ଅନୁଗତ ସଂସାର ବୈଭବାର ବନ୍ଧୁଜନ ଯତ। Such is the destination of the material body and all the worldly opulences, friends and family that follow it. ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ସଂସାର, ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ସଂସାରର ଗତି, ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ମୋର ଶରୀରର ଗତି ଏବଂ ମୋର ସମସ୍ତ ଭୌତିକ ଐଶ୍ୱର୍ଯ୍ୟର ଗତି। ବନ୍ଧୁଜନ ଯେତେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପରିବାର ତାଙ୍କର ଅନୁଗତ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ମୁଁ ଏଇ ସଂସାରର। ତେଣୁ ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଗତି କୁଆଡ଼େ? ଅତଏବ ମାୟା ମୋହ ଛାଡ଼ି ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନ ନିଜ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଭକ୍ତି କରୁଣ ସନ୍ଧାନ। ନିତ୍ୟ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଭକ୍ତି କରୁଣ ସନ୍ଧାନ। Therefore, those who are intelligent give up their infatuation with illusion and pursue the eternal truth of Krishna Bhakti. अतएव माया मोह छाड़ी जो मान बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति से माने नित्य तत्व कृष्ण भक्ति अनुसंधान करिवे. So an intelligent person will try to find out what is the eternal truth is. तेणु वृथा समय नष्ट करी किसी लाभ नहीं. It is not wise thing to waste time. The waste of time. So knowing all this tattva, those who are Mahajanas, they are moving around to help us. जो मैंने महाजन ये तत्व जानी कि आमर चतुष्पार्श्वे से घुरी बुलचंती आमको आत्मधर्मर कथा शुणाउचंती. समस्ते प्रचार कार्य नियुक्त अछंती. The Mahajanas, they are not able to tolerate this, that how we are all bewildered. Therefore they are going around us and they are speaking about Atma Dharma to us. What is real our Atma Dharma? So Mahaprabhu came. Mahaprabhu gave instructions to Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur. महाप्रभु आसिले से नित्यानंद प्रभु एवं हरिदास ठाकुर को निर्देश देले प्रति घरे घरे गया करो भिक्षा भज कृष्ण कर कृष्ण बल कृष्ण कर कृष्ण शिक्षा. जो माने आत्मचेतनशील से माने प्रति घरर द्वार को जाई समस्त को यही शिक्षा दियंतु से माने जपरी कृष्ण भजन करिवे कृष्ण नाम करिवे. यही भिक्षा चाहत. So this is the instruction of Mahaprabhu. Those who are following Mahaprabhu, they will go to the doorstep of everyone and they will ask them, beg them to chant Hare Krishna. Mahamantra. Hai? This is the activities of a true sadhu. He will ask everyone to chant Hare Krishna. Develop Atma Dharma. Understand what is Atma Dharma is. ये प्रत्येक साधुंकर कर्तव्य समस्त केमती हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र उच्चारण करंतु एवं आत्मधर्म संपर्क करे ज्ञान लाभ करूं. They should get knowledge about the Atma. Then they will not be bewildered anymore. ସେମାନେ କେବେ ଆଉ ଭ୍ରମିତ ହେବେ ନା. ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଆତ୍ମଧର୍ମ ପାଳନ କରିବେ ସେମାନେ କେବେ ଭ୍ରମିତ ହେବେ ନା. Those who will render seva according to their prescribed duty, Atma's duty is to serve Krishna. So they will serve Krishna and they will become happy. Thank you very much. Jai Srimad Bhagavatam Granthāraj ki jai. Jai Srila Gurudev ki jai. Srila Prabhupada Ji Maharaj ki jai. Samaveta Gaura Bhakta Vrinda ki jai. Nitai Gautamanande Hari.
जय श्री श्रीमद चैतन्य दास महाराज की जय.
Any question? प्रश्न अच्छी किसी By accepting the lotus feet of Sadguru, one will be able to understand about the prescribed duty of Atma, soul. Soul's prescribed duty. सद्गुरु चरणाश्रय करी जणे आत्मभूति संपर्क जानिबो।